Here we have a AM15 Hobart dishwasher that had a bad motor, and it's pretty easy to remove the motor. We're going to send it to the motor shop. Here we have some cockroaches. You see them there moving around, and then we have some over here as well by the wires, eating at the wires. That pretty much helps.
Enjoy.
That's where
Pick
the
up the
motor
motor.
goes. And here is the motor. The motor taken out, we're just going to send it to the shop. Very easy to remove.